hindi ako nagdala ng bottle of water. So, stand my phone in here. I'm with my friend. We're at jacuzzi. Huh? Okay? Yeah. Okay. You can do it? Yeah. No, I don't do it. Don't do it here because it's very tiny. You don't stand it? Okay.
Ito na, may bata ko kasama ko.
You're good diving in your swimming pool.
That's
Your boobs is cute. Your boobs is cute. I like it daw. Sa YouTube ako ah. Your boobs is cute. I like it. Ito yung lang. Makaamong? I-delete natin to. This message is held for review. View my reads. Hide. Hide.
Ay, gustong maligo. Ligo ka? Ligo ka, bebe? Ligo ka? Ligo ka na sa... Ligo ka na. Saan? Ligo ka na sa... Ligo ka na doon sa banyo, no? Punta ka na doon. Ligo ka na sa banyo. Ay, may ligo dito. Ligo sa banyo. Ano yan?
Bastos naman ito. Remove. Remove.
Parang lumabas na yung mga magagandang babae.
Natotomboy. Natotomboy, Mari ko. Dinilit ko yung message ni Brian. Hi, where are you from? Hi, I'm from Canada. Oh, sige kayo mag-usap ni ano. Bishu and Brian talk to each other. YouTube live. Yeah, hi. Hi, welcome to my live. We're here at Marriott Marquis. It's hot. Hi, I forgot to bring my clam, hair clam. Ay! Sunglass. I remove my sunglass. I forgot to get my hair clam. It's hot. The water here in jacuzzi is warm. Warmer than swimming pool. Warmer than swimming pool. Marco, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome to my Maris YouTube channel. Welcome to 2 million viewers. Ay, lang pala, 2,000 lang pala.
1 na lang. Nawawala wifi. Dito, parang kami sa jacuzzi. Oh, minamassage na. Libre massage na dito sa jacuzzi. Wow. What a life. Sarap ulit-ulitin. Ang sarap ulit-ulitin.